Hello guys, this is Mehul back here again with another new video. So, all of us, or may most of us, know about Clubhouse, right? What they say in their meta description or about them is Clubhouse is a new type of social media network based on voice, where people around the world come together to talk, listen, and learn from each other in real time. Basically, a Discord voice channel. That's it. Nothing else. To be honest, nothing else. I don't know why they need a new kind of social media platform just to get this voice functionality done that is already present in Discord servers. But if they like it, let it be. If people like it, fine, no problem. And to be honest, this portion of the market is currently in trend. It is booming right now. So because Clubhouse have recently introduced their Android app. First they were in the iOS space only, now they have introduced their Android app too. And as this market is currently booming right now, so Twitter have introduced Twitter Spaces, that is obviously similar like a Clubhouse obviously. And to grab the market portion, Spotify also introduced Green Room, same kind of format, Clubhouse format. But हमारा क्या है? We need something which is anonymous, which can be accessed anonymously, which do not require any sign in or login, and which is free and open source. So that's why I am sharing today's app, which is actually a complete replacement, not complete, but kind of a replacement of Clubhouse. And most importantly, it is anonymous. You don't have to sign in, you don't have to log in, you don't have to create any account or something like that. So let me dive into today's app directly. This is Jam. Yes, that apple or pisam jam that you like to eat. Yes, jam, it is its name. So it is fairly easy and straightforward. There's a pro section also where you can like use your own domain to create jam, but we will not get into that right now. It's easy to use. Just start a room. Okay, and whenever you start a room, you can copy the jam link, like copy the URL from the URL bar and share it to your friends or someone else whom you want to talk with. Here is a microphone on, microphone off button, and that's it, nothing else. And you can actually, in this settings portion, you can actually set up the room topic, description, logo URL. You have to upload a logo URL. You can directly upload image into this platform. Because this platform is volatile and anonymous, that's why you can't add a logo, like add a static image as a logo. You can add a URL of the logo, and button URL, button text, blah blah blah. That's it, nothing else. Actually, it has some use cases when, like, when you have to talk with someone, and you would like to talk anonymously. Like, maybe there are some cases, I don't know. Find out the use cases on your own. How do you want to use Clubhouse? I don't know. So the same way you can use Jam. That's it. So bye for this video. Please try out this platform on your own. And if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. And if you can find, like, if you have some of the cool apps in your mind too, please share it in the comments below, so I can make a video out of it too. So that's it for this video. Bye.